Welcome back. My name's Dre. I help men master their journey, and in this video, I'm going to explain to you why your semen retention journey is not complete. It is not. Just by the act of retaining does not give you the benefits, man. If you think they do, you're fooled, man. Your mind is way more powerful than that. You are manifesting the things in your life. You have trained your RAS, your reticular activation system, to seek and filter that which you think semen retention is giving you. Because if you are not clearing the blocks in your chakras, if you have imbalances, okay, if you are holding on to past traumas, childhood traumas, if you are still brainwashed by media, schools, parents, teachers, other mentors that have fed you bullshit advice. I went through that for years. I listened to so many people that I was like, this is what I need. This is what I need. No, this guy's right. No, that guy's right. Instead of stepping the fuck back and looking at where I was on my journey and going from there. Then putting the pieces together of all the knowledge that I was acquiring. But the first step, first and foremost of any journey, you must clear the way. You cannot walk through the fucking thick jungle without cracking down some fucking trees, man. Macheteing that all out of the way. You have to clear the path so that you can get through safely and productively. If you would like help on your journey, cultivating your masculinity, learning how to, first of all, meditate and clear the path, there's a link in the description. I've created a 10-day masculinity workshop for you. Go click the link and do what I tell you. Start to cultivate masculinity and your true being in the correct way. You must take the first step, and that is learn to meditate, man. That's what this course is, man. I created it just as a stepping stone for men so that they can begin to learn the tool of meditation and put it into use, man. If you are solely practicing retention so that you can attract women, okay, so you can do better in the gym, so you can do better at if you're on your purpose, I'm gonna put more effort into it. These are byproducts. These are byproducts. You can have the mentality of, I am this way, and a person who attracts these type of women. I am this good in the gym. You can just have those thoughts and make progress in the real world. Easy as that, man. You don't need to fucking practice retention. Retention's not for that. A lot of people online, they go off about the women attraction. I am a god. This is what makes you a king. But none of them talk about what is actually happening when you practice retention, which is you are storing and building energy in your sacral chakra, which is a very powerful energy cell. Now, if you just stop there, if you just stop there, that is cutting in half your progress and the goals that you want to make in your retention journey. You are literally just stopping in the middle of the journey and expecting like some magic to happen and somebody else to take your hand and, pull you to the promised land. I didn't jerk off for 2 months. It's not gonna work like that, man. It's not gonna fucking work. This is how you actually get results from your retention journey. And the results are not what you think. They are not external. They are internal. Now, these red wavy lines, they represent the energy that you are pushing out and receiving. If you have blocks, okay, in any of your chakras, this energy is out of tune. It's off kilter, man. And you will attract that into your life. Okay? And you will also repel good things that you actually want, like kick-ass, feminine, beautiful women, kick-ass fucking friends that could potentially be business partners or business deals or clients, whatever your journey is, man, you have to understand that that is the most powerful thing we do with retention is we are able to clear the blocks and clear the path of attraction, not sexual attraction. Stop, get that out of your fucking head, man. Attraction of anything that we want. Anything we want. Like absolute magnetic attraction. This is the absolute key. So, what does this all mean, Dre? What the fuck are you talking about? This right here, when you build up this energy, say you go for 2 months retaining, you have definitely, by that time, unless you're like 90, you have built up enough energy to use it. Fucking use it. You can use it to either of the chakras that are closest. First, you want to clear the blocks. Now, in my opinion, one of the more powerful chakras that is quintessential to our well-being is our heart chakra. If you are able to focus on the energy, the electromagnetic energy around your heart, which is enormous, and you can in turn expand it, that is insane. The results and the life that you will live by focusing on your heart, your gratitude, being on that wavelength, because it's powerful. But when you cultivate the energy in your sacral chakra, it can be just as powerful, and it is. But you have to do the work, man. So you go to the next chakra, the root chakra, your grounding. If you don't feel worthy, if you feel like you're always walking on quicksand, what is the future going to hold? Oh, the past is holding me back. If you're in that area, root chakra problems, man. Sacral chakra, whole nother story. But the thing is you cultivate this energy so that you can move it to another energy cell, another chakra, see the blocks in meditation when you truly step back and become aware. And you're not just fucking emotionally controlled by all your thoughts, all your feelings. You can step back and just be calm in this whirlwind of who we are as human beings. It will show itself. Your imbalances, your blocks, any sort of trauma will show itself. On your path, for you, you are the only one that knows what is holding you back. No one can tell you this. If you continually watch content trying to figure it out, it's never going to happen, man. At some point, you have to take the initiative and go inside. Semen retention is fucking powerful for this. So powerful. Because it allows us to more easily filter through, because we built up this energy and we can fucking use it. And then once you use it and clear your chakras and push out this energy and attract even better energy, that is how you become a king. That is how you become a god amongst men. No fucking joke. People will look up to you. People will respect you. Okay? You will attract the type of women that is good for you on your path and your journey. If you're toxic and holding baggage and haven't fucking done any work to yourself, you're going to attract shitty people into your life, man. I did that for years. I was like, oh, I'm just not good enough. I'm not worthy of the super hot girls or the ones I really am attracted to. When that's so dumb. I was just not doing the work. I was suppressing it with drugs and fucking booze and pot and video games and porn. No, man. No. You will attract what you are. Your life absolutely depends on the fact that you take initiative with your retention journey and use it correctly. Don't cut the journey in half by just retaining and expecting the world to treat you differently. Not going to happen, man. Go into the description. Take the masculinity workshop. Take your life to the next level, man. I will see you in the next video, my friend.